Welcome to Hello India program. Recently, I happened to view a news channel's video regarding the problems in India. This is that it is the treatment of Muslims and Christians, the so-called people, are responsible for the arrival of BJP government in central government. And it is expected in the last southern top tip province of Kerala. They believe that it is the way they have ridiculed Hindus have brought BJP and NDA into power. Unfortunately, they have mistaken. The news channel has done some head-up job, but it is not the complete fact. Because people don't know anything about Hinduism. Today we will discuss about what is Hinduism in the next 10 episode we will be doing. Please stay with us. We will discuss about it. When we talk about Hinduism, the Vedic Hindus, they loved or they treat every element which support the life as a god, or they believe that the real God is everything that supports the life. So that they have created God and started worshipping every element like air, water. Water they have called Varuna Bhagwan, or the God of or the Lord of water. And air they called Vayu Bhagwan, or the Lord of air. Why they call it a Lord? Because anything which support their life is treated equal to God. That is why the real three gods for the Hindus are worshipping is that Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma. The Brahma is a creator, and Vishnu is a protector, and Shiva is doing the last right and the salvation of life. So the rest of the all gods, they say they have 10,008 goddess or gods. Everything support a Hindu life is a god. That is why he is worshipping everything. So what is wrong in worshipping everything which is necessary for his life? And that is the essence of Hinduism. He treats earth as a mother earth, and he worship her, and he also treat every woman as a representative of Mother Earth, and she gets the prime importance. That is why once upon a time in a Hindu civilized society, not now the Britishers and the Sultanate has invaded and destroyed, and people lost the connection with their Hindu culture, the Vedic culture. Early the period, the woman used to have a swayamvar. She decided who should be her husband. She called so many qualified males and she chose one among them. That was done by even the king's daughter. So the rest of the people were also permitted, though they were not permitting. They were not practicing that many. Because of the money factor, the expenditure factor, calling the people, running the pandal, there are a lot of inviting guests, then expenditure, everything was not possible for everything. That is why it was not practiced by every common man, but it was practiced by the king. But the king should be very clear that his daughter should choose who she likes to choose. That was the rule, and that was the rule was practiced, and it was a part of his pride. It was a part of the culture of a Hindu culture which was not existed anywhere in the world. So that is why some people believe that Hinduism is more advanced. Secondly, everything in the human body is treated with a holistic value. That is why vegetarianism was started. Why vegetarianism? Because every living being which is in this world, the Hindus don't want to get their cults. Killing an animal and eating is only one time he can use. But it was not like that. He used to take only the milk of the animal. He never killed the animal and never eaten it only one time. So that it support him lifetime. That is the essence of Hinduism. Secondly, every plant has got some holistic value, especially the people tree. People tree is treated as a god, and the people used to worship in front of it. Third, neem tree. People worship neem in front of neem tree. Why? These trees has got a lot of Ayurvedic and life-saving properties, and that property Hindus worship. Third is that every animal is associated with some god or goddess. For example, God Lord Ganesh is associated with his vehicle is a rat. Rat is a small animal everyone hate, but even there small animal like a rat is respected in the Hindu society. Secondly, whereas goddess Durga's vehicle is lion or a tiger, and these violent animal is also worshipped and treated equally. So a rat is treated equally and a lion is also treated equally in the Hindu society. This is the only society or in the only culture one will find treating animal as a part of a human life, and they have been treated as a part of the god and goddess. Even the animals are worshipped. The rat is worshipped. There is a temple for rat in India, in Rajasthan. India's Rajasthan. So the rats and even the animal has got that much importance, whereas in the Western culture, especially in the Islamic culture, you kill even a goat to please the god. That is called Bakra Eid. Bakra Eid is a kind of animal sacrifice which the Hindus didn't do. Secondly, everyone believe that the Christian culture believe that every animal and every living being is created for man to enjoy. Who is man? Super king? No, because that is why always the Christianity and the Islamism is fighting a war across the world, and they are dying. Who is dying in the world? They are fighting and dying. Muslims are fighting and the Christians are fighting. They are fighting and dying because they don't treat any living being in this world as equal to man. In Hinduism, it is treated as a man is also one of the creature or creation of the god, and every animals have been treated equal to him, and sometimes worshipped. Even bull is worshipped, cow is worshipped. Even a buffalo is a vehicle of a god Lord Yama, and so even you can say tiger is a vehicle of another lord, and even an ant is fed by Hindu culture. Even an ant dunes people used to go and serve food. Even rats are served food. Even crow is served food. Even when there is a ritual is there, crows have been invited and feed them. Hindus feed them. That is the essence of Hindu culture. And with this, we are ending this week's episode of Hello India. Next week we will come with the second episode about the essence of Hindu culture, and this is a 10 episode program. Please always see and subscribe this channel. You will have a lot of information about Hinduism. People have a lot of misunderstanding about Hinduism. No, Hindus are not. Hindus are the only community never invaded into any country. But Hindus have been invaded. Their temples have been looted. Their women have been raped. They have been done so many things by others. But no Hindus have ever insisted to go and destroy others' property. So Hindu culture is the essence of the nature. Hindu culture knows the core center of the culture and the law of the universe. That is why this Hindu culture even surviving in more than 15,000 years now. It's not a 2,000-year-old Bible-related Christianity. It's not a 2,000-year-old, 1,500-year-old Islamism. It is a many thousands of years survived because the Hindus are believing in coexistence of every animal, every tree, every jungle, even a mountain is worshipped by Hindus. So next episode we will come again. Please stay with us. Thank you for being Hello India programs. First episode, the essence of Hinduism.